Hello, good day. Today we will discuss a bit on Chathero.co icebreakers and persistent menu with our chatbot. So to try, let's go to our icebreakers. So to have our icebreakers, let's go to our bot settings. Let's click this get started button and let's click enabled icebreakers. So icebreakers are actually those questions that are frequently asked by your customers or the clients. So it actually depends on you. These are mainly the main questions that are asked. So here, for example, what are the services you offer? How much is your rate? Do you have a portfolio? So you can change this. Actually, it depends on you. You can add more questions or remove it. Then to enable this, we should just disable the get started button status and save it. Save. Is it already saved? Then let's refresh this. And change interaction to my profile to see if it's working. And yeah. So now let's try chatting. So here we go. These are our icebreakers. These are the questions that you can just click if you want to, or your customers want to ask to you, how much is your rate? And then it will just respond, or the chatbot will respond to that question. There. So let's just delete this. Then after that, let's now try our get started button. So let's just enable this and then disable the icebreaker and save. Save. And just refresh this. And you'll just notice the difference between the two. There you go. So yeah, let's just check this. Yeah, there you go. You can click this, get started. You can see the difference because earlier those icebreakers are the basic and frequently asked questions to your page, and now with this get started button, it's different because it's really the flow of the chatbot that you did or you edited. So here you can see the welcoming photo of the chatbot I made with the greetings or statement. So that's it. And with the persistent menu, it's basically on this. Here are the choices or the options that your customers can explore. So it's just also here in the bot settings, and you can just explore it here by clicking this persistent menu. So by clicking this persistent menu, you can just edit the template. You can just edit this. You can add or remove any options. So that's just it. That's the persistent menu.